Thank you. Now to our top story this half hour on the Northwest side. A woman calls 911 saying she feared for her life because a man was threatening to kill her. Not long after police got to the scene, they shot that man. Well, it happened last night outside the Fred townhomes off Cinnamon Creek near Fredericksburg. A woman who lives inside those townhomes called 911 saying a man was being violent and throwing things around the apartment. She told police that man, who she knows, was threatening to kill her. Chief William McManus says once officers got that intel, they proceeded with caution when walking up the stairs to the apartment.
Officers were going up the stairway to the apartment, and the suspect came down with a shotgun in his hand. And from what we know right now, what we understand right now, that shotgun was pointed at the officers, and the officers fired at the suspect. Both officers fired. So he was struck.
The 19-year-old suspect was taken to the hospital. At this time, we don't know his condition. The two policemen were not hurt. One of those officers has 4 years with the force. The other has 2 months.